I want this video to be about one topic and one topic only: mileage and money. When it comes to doing rideshare and when it comes to doing food delivery. Now, DoorDash and Uber Eats, as I see, on a bad day with Lyft and Uber, if there's no quest or if there's no, guarantees that's actually worth it, or no guarantees at all, or no streaks at all on Lyft, then one thing I want to tell you is definitely, if you didn't sign up for Uber Eats, it's actually worth it. Or DoorDash, they both are absolutely killing it. When it comes to like busy days or just regular days, you could turn on the app and the money calls you and the mileage is so worth it. And now, my past video that I did on food delivery versus rideshare, I kept it extra real in that video and it was pretty entertaining and funny. Go check it out. But this is more of an update. Now, when it comes to food delivery, you get to take your own routes, listen to your music or your podcast or whatever in peace. You got more bathroom areas, mostly in every establishment, especially when you get a Wawa's order. And you get it keep you active and energetic, and you ain't never really sleepy, or when you get tired, but you can grab an energy drink from one of the establishments. You dig me, Wawa? And the best eat spots in everywhere in every area, introduce you to new neighborhoods and stuff like that. And it introduce you to like new food and all types of stuff. So it's plenty of benefits to doing food delivery. I actually do this more than I do Lyft now, because Lyft, they be on a no bonuses, no streaks, no nothing, especially after I started doing the Lyft videos. They nipped my streaks and everything that I presented in the bud. So I guess they're watching my videos. But yeah, and I want to actually show you something in this video, or present something that you might know or you might not know when it comes to the mileage of doing this. Because when you see Lyft, I want to show you what Lyft mileage look like versus pay, and I want to show you what Uber Eats mileage versus pay is, and it's no comparison. Now, you got 13 to 65 for 13.9 miles. Disrespectful. Now look at this right here: $18 for 6 miles, $8 for 0.8 miles, $8.20 for 2.8 miles, $16 for 3.6 miles, $14 for 3.3 miles. Now, this make you want to punch Lyft in they damn face. I was the guy who couldn't stand hearing about Uber Eats or food delivery, didn't even think it compared to doing rideshare, okay? So when I started doing this and realized that with 10 miles, I'm making damn near $25, $30 off of 10 damn miles, it's no comparison to mileage. You ever do Lyft and be like, are you kidding me? I just drove that damn far and only got that much? It's not even like 10 miles. You be getting $7, $8 and stuff like that. There's certain situations like no. So now I realize when it's a slow day, or if I don't feel like doing Lyft, turn on that damn Uber Eats app or that DoorDash. DoorDash killing it too. I got that video dropping soon. Anyway, thanks for watching. Definitely stay tuned in, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you new, and check out, I got a lot of funny and cool and real and informative content on this channel, and I'm always trying to stay original and unique and have something to subscribe for. You feel me? Something different. But anyway, I'm outie like a belly button, ladies and gentlemen. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.
Scuba and Grip jobbers are fighting over territory. Police are looking for over 4,000 stolen rental cars. I know that hurts. Anyway, ex-drivers are standing on the corners like prostitutes, and buses or trains are at capacity. We can't all get freaky right now, boy.
You want to know who to blame? Rideshare careers. Rodney Speed making $2K a week, right along with Bray. Are you kidding me? They were not supposed to make that much damn money.